Hey guys, welcome back. That there's Kasia, you've seen her before. Wanted to show you something before we started today. So I downloaded and bought this image from Adobe Stock Photos. It's an illustration. And then I took it onto my computer and I modified it to make this. I put the camo on it and it looks very much like Matilda with the gun on top and my channel flag. And then I sent it to a company that puts digital artwork on canvases. And check this out. All right. So this is a 1 foot by 18-inch canvas. See? And this is going to be really nice when I put it up on a wall somewhere. Lovely, right? All right, that's enough artwork for today. Let's get working on Matilda. Right, sweetie? You can't come. Hey guys, welcome back. So the last time I finished the 4 side rails and painted them, and I even fabricated the 4 struts that I'm going to install in this video. This is part 2 of 2, and I will also be installing these roof panels over the structure. As all you Humvee owners know, the A, B, and C pillars are never even. The C pillar is angled forward, so it's hard to get a flat top to bolt anything onto it. The B pillar is the only one with a flat top, which is, easy. And the A pillar is 2 inches shorter than the B and C. So to solve this problem, I've done 2 things. Number 1, I have fabricated a lip that'll get this up to height and level. And this lip is 70 inches long and 2 inches on the top, 1 inch at a 45-degree angle, and 3 inches in the front. The front of it, I will have to cut 2 small round pieces out here and here so that the windshield wipers have a place to stick through. Now, the rear has an angle to it. So I'll be fabricating a small little wedge which I will plant on it and use to rivet the strut from B to C. So let's get to this. You can see here how the C pillar has a slope. So I'll have to make a wedge so the strut can fit straight. This is flat and this has a slight slope as well. See, it's 2 inches lower. So I came up with an idea to level the struts on the C pillar, and I don't have to build a wedge. Instead, I'll be using one of these Simpson strong ties. You get them at Lowe's and Home Depot, and they're usually used for 2x4s and lumber, so it's plenty strong for our application. So what I'll be doing is using the top part to level the C pillar, and I will be using my bender to bend it right about here so that it's at this angle. And I can rivet it to the back part of the C-pillar so that it's completely level, but this part is bent. It'll become very clear once you see the next few seconds of video. All right, let's get to it. All right, so as you can see, I've bent it over here, right? And it's pretty flat on the top now. So I'll be bolting it down here on the top, riveting it maybe, and riveting it again at these two spots. Hopefully that should be strong enough to stabilize the strip. After which I will fill this space up in the center with maybe a wooden block or something else. Let's talk about the lip I fabricated. This is 0.90 mild steel, and this is nothing but a 6-inch by 70-inch piece of sheet metal, right? And I've had it bent at the 3-inch mark and the 1-inch mark to make 2 inches, 1 inch, 3-inch. And if you look at the shape, this will go right here on the windshield. 1 inch to bolt it to, 1 inch above, and then flat for 2 inches so that it helps to level the roof. Hey guys, well, it's raining cats and dogs outside. I was hoping to, take Matilda out there and put the roof on and bolt it in and do a little bit of welding or aluminum brazing for the seam. But it looks like that's not going to happen outdoors today. I might do it indoors and put it in part 3 because I don't want these parts to be extremely long and, might not be interesting enough. Anyways, thank you very much for liking my videos and commenting. It really warms my heart. And yeah, please subscribe if you don't. It really encourages me. I hope to see you guys in part 3, and I'll be painting the roof after that. You guys have a great weekend, and I love you all.